What's going on? Michael here with Digital Playbook, and today we're going to be talking about the easiest way to make over $1,000 a day with AI and ChatGPT. Now, what I'm going to be doing is I'm actually going to walk you through a step-by-step process that I'm using in my own company. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to give you access to everything for free inside of my group. You're going to be getting a full checklist, all these really cool videos in it. I'm going to be giving you a free course on top of all kinds of really cool done for you short form videos that you can start posting on Facebook and Instagram. And I'm even going to give you free trials to the tools that I use. So everything that you get started with today. Now, if you want me to keep you updated with all this and all the free stuff that I'm going to be doing, and you want me to keep giving you more stuff like this, just leave a comment right now. Let me know that you're taking action, and let's go ahead and dive into the video. So the first thing you want to do is you're going to want to join this group, and it will give you access to the Digital Playbook. To get to the group, just go to digitalplaybook.com. Put in your information and you will get sent a link to join the group. It's completely free right now, but once this gets to 100 members, there's 4 members in here. I know we're small, I just started. Once it gets to 100 members, I am going to start charging because this information is worth thousands of dollars, what I'm going to be sharing with you today. So once we get inside the Digital Playbook, you are going to just quickly read through the FAQs, but then we're going to start off right here. Get a tool called Go High Level. This is the tool that I use for all my back-end stuff, creating websites, sending out emails, and I even use it to schedule out all my content for months in advance. Well, not more like a month in advance, not months. So this is what you need to sign up for, 14-day free trial. Go ahead and get it, sign up. Once you do, you'll get taken to a screen like this. This is gonna be your account. Obviously your account's not gonna have anything in it because you're brand new. But the three things that I want to be talking about in this video are going to be marketing, automations, and sites. So first we're going to start with sites because that's going to be the front end of what you are going to need to create. Now, if I'm going a little too fast, don't worry, just join the group. I get step-by-step courses and videos, and I go a little bit more in depth. I host calls every day, direct access to me. Getting back to the video, let's go and look at the old Optin right here. Actually, this one's going to be a little bit better as a demonstration. So you are going to want some form of landing page that looks like this. It's basic. It's got a title, video, and a button. So the title, it could just be about whatever service or tool that you're going to want to promote. And then the video right here, it's got to be some form or a longer form video. I like to say 7 to 12 minutes that goes a little bit more in depth about the tool or service. Because if you think about it, all of your views and all of your traffic is going to be potentially coming from your short form content, which doesn't give a lot of value. It just supposed to grab their attention. So with this, you want to add some value, build some trust with your audience, which will hopefully get them to enter in their name and email, and then they get put into your automation, which I'm about to through here in a second. So we got that set up. Now we're going to talk about the automations. Now, so with automations, let's just talk about this one right here, new email opt-in. Now, if you're like, wait, how do I get all these automations? I don't want to make all these. Well, if you would go through this step-by-step checklist, you'll see something right here, literally the next step, that's called a snapshot. Now, what this is it allows you to import all of my things that I'm using, basically my account, into your account. So everything you've been seeing from the sites, the automations, the emails, you're all going to get that into your account just by going in the snapshot, clicking this button. Everything is in your account. And if you need help setting it up, just message me. I can help you. Someone on my team can help you, but we can get this set up for you. So going back to the account, this is going to be one of the automations I give you. It has a bunch of emails. And if let's say that you're not wanting to promote high level, you can take these emails and go into something like ChatGPT, and then you can tell it to recreate this video. I use ChatGPT all the time, but the main reason why I want you guys to use this first, if you're just starting out, is because I put something in here called custom values. So as you can see right here, this is highlighted. Then when you click right here, you see a custom value right here. There's no URL. Let's go to another one. You're going to see the same thing right here where it's clickable. Custom value right here. So what this allows us to do is we're going to go in the settings, and inside the settings portion of the custom values, boom, That's where you're going to place your affiliate link. And then every one of these emails that has that custom value, it automatically populates in there for you. So before you go into settings, let's go head over here to the digital playbook and look at your AI tools. Now, there's probably 200 plus AI tools that you can choose to promote, but these top 5 are the ones that I really like. Go High Level, Traffic ID, Spotter, 11 Labs, and Gen 3. Pick one of those 5. Pick one of those 5, start creating content about it. Just my top ones right now. So let's just take Spotter, for example. They're doing a $25,000 giveaway. Go ahead and a chance to sign up. But I've already have an account. But so I was supposed to show you guys how to sign up for an account. So start your free trial. And then if you want to promote them, partners, become a partner, apply to become a partner, boom. For the most part, if you scroll to the bottom of these page or just look for become an affiliate or becoming a partner, at least the top 5 that I have will let you become a partner and give you access. Let's just take, since I'm already a partner, let's just take their affiliate link, copy, and then we're going to go to settings. Settings, we're going to go down to custom values, and then we're going to go up here to new custom value. And then you're going to want to type affiliate link, and then you're going to paste your affiliate link right there. Now, I'm not going to do that because I already have mine, but once you hit complete, then every one of these emails that you have right here in the new email opt-in are going to be directed towards that particular affiliate link. So heading back over to the digital playbook, we set up our emails, set up the front end. Now it takes you down to setting up your avatar. So this is how you're able to create pictures of yourself. So this is what I do. If you want to know how to use Replicate, just go through the checklist. It shows you a video right here about how to create it. Where is it? Not right there, right here. It takes about 20 minutes. But if you don't want to do that, that's why I have a section over here called short form videos. And there's 200 plus done for you videos that you can go ahead and download and then post inside of your scheduler, which is inside of GHL. And that's the last thing I want to talk about right here is the social planner. So as you can see right here, I got some of my social media accounts connected. And to do that, you just need to go up here to settings, and then you just need to connect socials. These are the social media accounts that you are able to connect. I would just go with Instagram, Facebook, and then YouTube. My main ones are just Instagram and Facebook, as you can see right here. Once those are connected, we are going to go to the calendar, and yours is going to be empty, obviously, because you don't have any content. But what you're going to do is, I'm just going to go down here to an open space, is you're going to click right here. You're going to connect, pick the accounts you want to connect to, and then we are going to hit this button right here. This is for videos. This is for image. So we're going to hit videos, and then you're not going to have any of this stuff in here as well. We're going to upload file, and then wherever you save your videos, you're going to upload them into here. They're going to look like this. Boom. Now, if you need help figuring out what to write as far as your descriptions, use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is going to be the best man at my wedding. Okay. I use him every day. I confide in him. You need to get ChatGPT. Got me off track here. All right. So you would upload this, write your comment, and then sometimes you got to make sure you click reel instead of feed. But I think we're done. So you would click here, schedule your post, and then boom. So if we scroll out a little bit about what, oh my gosh, I'm stuttering. So to go over what we did, we are creating short form content, posting it on social media, and driving traffic to different links using AI. So I'm making clones of myself. You guys are going to start off using done for you short form content, but in the end, all of this stuff is automated. At the beginning, it's not. It's going to take some time. But that's why we have the digital playbook here. I'm going to help you get set up, help you get started. Stay focused, stay strong. I'll see you in the next one, AI Pros.